You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly, I said correctly, the name of the city, capital city of Georgia, United States. If you want to learn more city names that are confusing, stay tuned. You found the right channel. Two slightly different ways of pronouncing it, including locally in Georgia in the US. It's either Atlanta, Atlanta, or Atlanta. That's probably more common in the US. The first T is nearly silent, not totally. It's a small Atlanta. The second T is totally ignored, and you just have a N sound. Atlanta is generally how the Americans say it. It's a bit like Toronto. Do you know Toronto in Canada? Atlanta or Atlanta. It's up to you. But now at least you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.